Hi everyone, today I'm ranking my current top 5 rides at Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom is an awesome park. It obviously has loads of cool animals to see with the safari and various walkthroughs. It also has brilliant shows like the Festival of the Lion King, Finding Nemo, and my personal favourite Zootopia Better Zoogether. And although it doesn't have as many rides as most parks, the ones it does have are among the best rides I've ever done. Watch to the end to see which takes my top spot. Before we start, just like my other ranking videos, to make it onto my top 5, the ride has to pass 3 rules. I must have ridden it myself. It must have a height restriction of 115 centimetres or less, my height when I last visited the park, and it has to be a ride that is open right now. This excludes Dinosaur from my rankings as this is no longer running. It's a shame, but I'm excited to see what the new Indiana Jones ride will be like, and just how good the new Tropical Americas area will be. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos about these rides in the future. And if you love Animal Kingdom just like me, hit that like button now. Now let's get started with the top 5. Taking the number 5 spot is Kilimanjaro Safaris. This only just made it into my top 5 because Dinosaur is now officially closed. I think the safari is an awesome experience. You head out across 110 acres of savannah in a massive truck that's actually being driven by a person. You get to see lions, giraffes, elephants, rhinos and loads more animals roaming around, which is so cool. But for me, it's not really a theme park ride in a traditional sense. It's more like an absolutely amazing experience. Because you never know where the animals will be, every trip is different, but since I'm a big fan of the thrills, it lands at number 5 for me. Coming in at number 4 is the ultimate way to cool down or get completely drenched, Kali River Rapids. Located in the heart of Asia, this is actually the only raft ride I've ever done, but I loved it. It makes me wish even more that Legoland Windsor would bring back Viking River Splash. You climb a 90-foot lift hill before hitting the rapids, spinning and bumping along. My favourite part is the 20-foot drop. You get absolutely soaked, but if you manage to avoid the big splash, the spray fountains afterwards will get you. At 3 is the Navi River Journey, a choice that slows things down a bit. This one wasn't about the thrill of the ride but the experience. I absolutely love this boat ride. The scenery and the animatronics are amazing. It really feels like you are floating through another world. The Navi Shaman near the end of the ride is the most advanced audio animatronic figure ever designed by Disney. Just missing out on my top spot is Avatar Flight of Passage. This flying theatre-style motion simulator ride is the best I've done by far. It's easily one of the most high-tech rides in the world. I love the way you ride a motorbike-style vehicle and get to fly over the oceans and through the caves of Pandora. The feeling of really flying whilst riding a banshee is so amazing. The most realistic ride like this I've done. The 4D effects are incredible. You can smell the forest and even feel the banshee breathing between your legs. A must-do at Animal Kingdom. And so, at number 1, my favourite ride at Animal Kingdom is Expedition Everest. I'd been looking forward to doing this ride for so long, and when I finally got to, it was just as good as I had imagined. It is a great roller coaster with so many cool bits like reaching the broken track, then flying backwards into the mountain, seeing the Yeti for the first time. Then my favourite part, the big drop and speeding round the track at the bottom. It's so much fun. Then it finishes with the scary moment, flying back into the mountain and seeing the Yeti. This isn't just my favourite ride at Animal Kingdom, it's actually one of my favourite rides I've ever done. I can't wait to be able to do this ride again one day. So that's it, my top 5 rides at Animal Kingdom. Do you agree with my choices? Let me know in the comments. I hope the new Encanto and Indiana Jones rides are as cool as Everest. Subscribe so you don't miss me finding out, and be sure to check out my other ride ranking videos on the channel. You'll be surprised by some of my picks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.